Today we're reviewing stock number 212621 on a 2015 Dodge Journey, and our exterior color is gray. Interior options include power windows, locks and mirrors, cloth seats, light controls, tilt steering, cruise control, hands-free communication and audio controls, push button start, AM/FM radio, and climate control. And our interior color is black. Moving on to our exterior features, we have alloy wheels, and a lot more cargo space. Rear options include power windows, 60/40 split bench seats. You can fold the seats down for more storage space. Once again, we're reviewing stock number 212621 on a 2015 Dodge Journey.